Hey guys, welcome to my channel, All Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Haws. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to record with a USB microphone while using GarageBand for your iMac. Without further ado, let's get started. Woo! Alright guys, so first off, just go ahead and click on your GarageBand icon to open it up if you're following along. And we're just going to start with new project. Now, we're not going to worry about tempo, tap tempo, or key signature here. But we are going to worry about the input device and output device right down here. Now, you want, if you're using a USB microphone to record with on GarageBand for, say, podcasting or anything like that, or you just have a USB microphone you're using to record with, anything, vocals, something else, anything. Anyways, your input device, you want to make sure that that says the name of your USB microphone you want to use to record with GarageBand. So mine is, I'm using a Samson C01U. So that's what it's gonna say in mine. Now for output device, you want this, however you're listening to your playback, through either headphones or speakers. Just make sure it says that here. Mine's gonna say something different because I'm actually doing screen recording at the same time, and I have to have different things filled out. Anyways, okay. And so we're gonna do mic line or audio input 1 right there, okay? And hit create. All right, so now you should be able to see this making some volume here in the track. This is your USB microphone right here, and so you should be getting some type of sound. If you're not, make sure go up here. This is a secret. It's a trick up here. Go up to GarageBand's. This is preference settings. Go to the settings, and go to go to audio MIDI right here. And then we're going to go down here and make sure the output device says for you either your audio interface that you're listening to your headphones through, or your speakers on, or your built-in speakers on in your computer, or if you got headphones plugged into the back of your computer. Make sure it says that for output, okay? Mine says something different. Like I said, I'm doing screen recording right now. And make sure your input device is Samsung, or whatever your input device is. If it's a Shure or whatever kind of microphone it is, make sure it says that there, okay? Now, I've got headphones on, so I'm going to do that to hear myself. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit record, and I'm just going to record my voice talking, and then I'll do playback to show you that it works. Okay, so there it is, recording my voice as I'm speaking, and I'm going to hit stop, and I'm going to go back, I'm going to hit playback now, okay, and then I'll do playback to show you that it works. Okay, so there it is, recording my voice as I'm speaking, and I'm going to hit stop. There it is. That's how you use a USB microphone in GarageBand. Pretty easy, actually. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it was helpful. If you guys want to learn how to, or see more videos like this, or learn how to use GarageBand more in depth, please check out my channel, All Things GarageBand. If you want to see the other side of the music process, like setting up the recording process, or performing, publishing your music, all that stuff, please check out my other channel called All Things Music. And if you like any of the music you hear out through any of the videos, any of my videos, that's my band called Haws. Please check out my music channel at Jeremy Haws. All right? I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I would do that leaves it wide open. Woo!